Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer a question that a viewer had asked me. And this is a question that's very dear to my heart because I had struggled with this for a long time. Now the question is, can you have big goals and balance in life? Okay, and the answer is yes, but there's a certain way to make it happen that I've learned how to do this. I've learned how to do this over the last couple years, and I'm here to share it with you. So can you have big goals and balance in life? Okay, at first glance the answer is no, because simply if you want balance in life, then you can't work hard in one aspect. And if you can't dedicate yourself to one specific thing in life, like fully dedicate yourself, then you can't really have big goals. Like I consider a big goal being to have a net worth of $10 million, by the age of like 40, 50, or 10 years from where you are now. Okay, and like if you want to increase your net worth by $10 million in the next 10 years, that's a huge goal, and you need to dedicate yourself to that goal. So you can't have a goal that's that size and also have balance in life. A big goal to me is being like ridiculously fit, like six-pack abs, low body fat percentage, like big muscles, very, very healthy, able to run for a long time without stopping, like super healthy. And truth be told, if you want that, you have to dedicate yourself to that. You can't really have balance and that at the same time, but there is a way to do it. So there is a way that I can answer yes to this question, and that is to dedicate yourself for a certain amount of time and get to the point where you just need to maintain that your achievement of that goal, and then you can have life balance. So yes, you can have big goals and life balance in time. So for instance, if you want to have a net worth of $10 million in 10 years, okay? If you develop passive income streams, so you develop streams of income that will pay you even when you're not working, then you can bring yourself to a level where you know that if at year 5, you have enough passive income that will bring you to $10 million by year 10, then at that point you can pretty much stop working or just maintain those streams, and then you can have life balance. If you want to work out and get incredibly fit, then you can work out and like get almost to the level of being where you want to be at that fitness level, and then you can just maintain to slowly go the rest of the way, and then you can have life balance. So the point is that you have to work unbelievably, ridiculously hard at the beginning, harder than ever before. And then once you are on the path to maintenance of your path to that goal, then at that point you can balance out. So if you can imagine like dedicating your nights and weekends to building passive income, okay, for 5 years, and then you're on path to hitting that goal, and you just have to maintain. At that point, you can have life balance because you're not going to be working like crazy to get to that goal. You just need to maintain, and you can have a balanced lifestyle. So the answer is yes, you can have big goals and a balance in life, but you have to work even harder to get to the maintenance level of achieving that goal even faster than the original time frame. Very simple. And I've used a few examples in this video. Let me know what you think about whether or not you can have big goals and life balance in the comment section down below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if it motivated you. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.